Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside Cordless Combi Shear 20V, the model PAGS 20LIA1. Bare unit only battery and charger are not included. Device compatible with all batteries in the X20V Team series. 2-in-1 grass trimmer and strap trimmer. No load rotation speed 1200 RPM. Blade change tool-free click system. Grass shear width it is 12 cm. Strap shear cutting length it is 18 cm. Branch diameter maximum 8 mm. Strap blade. 2-in-1 for tightening long edges and shaping edges. 3 years warranty. The case is made with 90% recycled materials, good for the environment. And let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Parkside case, durable. And inside we're gonna find out the manual. Nothing else out of the box. As I mentioned, only the tool, not included the battery and the charger. Of course, you have at the case the correct place when you can put the charger. Here. The battery. Here. And of course, the power tool with the battery. And there is the tool. Ergonomic handle with soft grip, I like that, and at the front. The same and at the trigger. You need to press the safety switch and then the trigger, otherwise it doesn't work. Nice, I like it. The connection, let's say, for the strap shears with a cutting length of 18 cm and cutting thickness of 8 mm. It is very easy to connect. First here and then just press, and that was all. So easy. And of course you need a battery. You can choose the 2 Ah typical Parkside battery, or the 4 Ah smart battery, or the 8 Ah smart battery. It is your choice. I have made a video for these 2 batteries, you can check down below the description or after the end of this video. I will use the smart battery 4 Ah. That was all. Safety switch. And it is very easy to remove that. Press these 2 switches and remove. And next you can install the grass shear with a blade with 12 cm. Nice, I like it. I think it is the right choice if you want to treat your garden and make it beautiful and use it anywhere, anytime, because it is portable, it works with batteries. So if you don't have Parkside batteries, the minimum that you can pay it is 25 euros for a charger and the typical 2 Ah battery from Parkside. If you want to have the 4 Ah or the 8 Ah, you need to give about 40 euros and 70 euros. But with the 2 Ah, you can do your job. It depends, of course, how long you want to work with this tool. I like it. It is small, portable as I mentioned, and I'm sure it can fit at your garden tool case and use it whenever you want. So I'm not going to test it because in the past I have made a video with the 12-volt battery from Parkside. You can check this video down below the description. Trust me, it's performing very well. It can trim the grass, the long edges, shaping the hedges and more. So until my next video, don't forget my viewers to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.